Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to 6 a.m. Club, day 25 of this awesome session. I'm Dr. Arjun Bopanna and welcome to NammaKPSC Academy. Good morning to you all. I hope all of you are energized, pumped up to have yet another productive day. You have been doing really well, more than 3 weeks. You have worked hard. You are going to crack this exam. Trust me. August ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು exam ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ there was a lot of uncertainty, tension ittu. Many of you were not able to perform your best. But today, this exam, we are prepared. We are better than the others. You are better. You are 100, 200, 300% better than what you were before. Don't lie to yourself. You know you have realized your true potential. And remember, still you have 24 more days to go and magic is going to happen. You are going to become much better. You are going to be more awesome than what you are today. Trust me, in on 24 days, sit and do this exercise, guys. You will, manifest to something which you have not realized. You have not yet realized your true potential. Trust me. Day 20, you have 24 more days. You plan it properly. You remain motivated. Make sure you watch this video, okay, every day at 6 o'clock, and you remain confident of what you are doing. Trust me, you will clear this examination and you will be writing your KAS mains next year. All right, guys. Today, we are going to do a very, very important exercise. This is very crucial for your preparation. We have finished almost 25 days in 24 days. So this is middle of our 6 a.m. club initiative. So now it's a very important thing that you are supposed to do is look back and analyze. Lot of us just go on doing things very randomly, haphazardly, and we don't or we end up just following somebody's suggestions, etc., including over here. You might just be following whatever I am telling you, but we also need to understand that every individual is unique. You are unique. Okay, you need to realize what is working for you and what is not working for you. So today is the day we are going to do that analysis. Okay, I have given several strategies, several motivational tips, okay, suggestions that I have given you. Some of them have worked for you. Some of these suggestions have not worked for you. So it is okay. So we have to do the analysis. We have to look back on all those things that we have done in the past 25 days and analyze and make a report. Okay, mental report. You can write it down or whatever. We have to look back. Take about 5 minutes. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯ in the middle of the day when you want to take a break, that time spend about 5 minutes to analyze how you are doing, what has worked for you, and what corrections you need to do. Idu individual it is. I can't do it for you, neither anybody else can do it for you, or it is not something which all of us can do it together. Nim approach, whatever you have done, is it working, etc. So look at this table. Something like this you'll have to do on a sheet of paper. Togondo, you think back the last 25 days, what all you have done, what all I have suggested you, and what all you have incorporated in your preparation strategies, and what has worked and what has not worked. So write down what has worked for me. Okay, maybe revision has worked for you. Giving test at 8 o'clock has worked for you. Atava making notes has worked for you, or getting up early at 6 o'clock has worked for you because you have got an extra 2-3 hours. Remaining consistency has worked for you. So what has worked for you, adna clear agi on list madi, so that you don't forget it after prelims now or whatever. Okay, so that you will keep repeating it. What has worked for you? Enagutte ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, and when you sit for mains, everything will look new. Your strategies puna kalibekagutte illa puna ee video nodbekagutte, something like that. So what I would suggest you to do is make a list of things that works for you, where you have improved efficiency, where you have developed a confidence, in that. So adnella list madkondo, so that next time you just go through that. Okay, enadre martogidya, enadre missing idya, then you go through that list and once again get back to the same position. Enagutte, so many days we are doing this program and I understand there is always going to be a slump. Now when you review it, when you check what is working, you incorporate it once again there is a push. Every day is an opportunity, so that every day you keep pushing yourself. Enagutte, human mindset, like any machine, there is going to be a little bit of wear and tear. Alva, now hogi nam car na hege service ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ again the mileage will improve, the ride quality, drive quality will improve. Ade riti today is something like servicing your body, servicing your mind, servicing our preparation. So nodi, check ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Also, what is not working for you. If some of my suggestions are not working for you, reject it. Don't do it. Okay. So what is not working for me, adna reject madi. I did this, my scores did not improve or my scores dipped, andre adna eliminate madi. I did this, my scores have improved. You make sure that you keep reinforcing that on yourself. So what has worked for me and what has not worked for me. And then also track your progress. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So test 1, test 2, test 3, how you have performed. So up to day 24 you should have given test. ಹೇಗೆ perform ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, okay, compared to others, how others have scored, how you have scored, what is your ranks, are you seeing an increase, when did you see that increase, ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮ mindset ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ, all of that, like ಒಂಥರ diary report ತರ you have to make sure. So what did you, let's say on the test 3 you got good rank, so what did you do then, or which video did you watch, what was that motivation that helped you to get that marks. So adna identify madi, adna highlight madi. Yes, on that day I was motivated, sir ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು incorporate ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೋಶ್ ಇತ್ತು, whatever. So you make sure that the thing that helped you to score good on that particular day, you will make sure that you again repeat it. So yavaton divsa when you are low, just identify hard. Avatin divsa day 3rd I was awesome. So go to that day 3rd video, watch it once again. Allah, whatever video I have done, you can watch it in any number of time in any order. So whenever you are feeling low, just listen to it. Okay. Everybody, let me tell you, everybody goes to a low time slump. But a true leader is one who identifies those problems and gets up. I'll also go through a slump, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರು, ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರು. Then what do? I read your comments. I see how I am making a difference in your life. That gives me that energy, and next day automatically I am up and doing this video. Adhe riti, you identify what has worked for you and you use it. Ashte. Okay, you don't need new things every time. You just need to understand what works, what doesn't work. Check your progress. On the 5 ನಿಮಿಷ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ spend this. It is again ಏನಂತೀರಾ, repair works. ಏನೇನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನೇನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, your entire preparation is getting serviced today. So that's why I told you today is a very, very important day. If you ask me, one of the most important day or most important strategy that I'm telling you, review. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಓಕೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ, ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಲೇಟರ್, or maybe you have to study late in the night. Whatever, what works for you, you will know it. Adna analyze madi, adna try to understand what is working and what doesn't work. Maybe for some, getting up early in the morning doesn't work. No problem, watch this video later on the day. So all those things you are supposed to do today. Also identify which is your good subject. Also identify which subjects needs improvement and which subjects you are going to skip. Ella nimge gottirbeku. See, I have analyzed my preparation so much that I know which is my best subject. Okay, ee subject ivaga kodbeku, idu odidre 100% marks bande barutte. So I know where to put my resource. where to put my valuable time. Ade riti, you should also. So test ali, okay, polity test I'm doing good, economy test I'm not doing good. Okay, I need to put little bit more time to economy. Adella nimge gottagutte. Is that okay? So today, take about 10 minutes and analyze how you are preparing. Okay, make sure that whatever is working, adna ondu list madkondo, nim notice board or whatever, nim the desk alli antskobidi, and make sure adna repeated agi madi. Is that okay, guys? So that is what is today's strategy. Make sure that you analyze, make sure you look back the past 3 days. And I want you to do one thing for me. The analysis admele comment section alli, I want you to write the 3 things that has worked, top 3 things. When have you seen the best? I want you to write so that it reinforces in your head also. What are the 3 things that has worked for you from the 6 a.m. club or otherwise? What is that 3 things that makes you awesome and makes you most efficient in preparation? Okay, I hope you will do that in the comment section. I want to see that so that we can make corrections. You can also write what has not worked. Yen work aagta illa, yen mistakes aagta ide, so that I can identify that and I can do a video on that. Is that okay? 3 things that has worked, 3 things that is challenging. What you find it challenging. So I will identify that and I'll make video on that. Is that okay? 3 things that are challenging. So comment section alli, I hope all of you will reply to that. Is that okay, guys? So do this and we'll see. We'll come up with an awesome video tomorrow also. So with that, we'll move on to today's target. Before the target, again, I want to remind you guys, okay, I want you all to give Mission Vijaya 4.0 on 22nd December. Mission Vijaya 4.0, it's a complete comprehensive preparatory exam. If everybody gives, we will know how you are performing and any correction that is required. Is that okay? And those, as an incentive for those who give the test, I will have a special secret session for all of you guys. Is that okay? And awesome, that last week, all of that will be taught in that about 10-15 minutes. So I want you to give, it's an incentive because push madadidre new test bariyalla. I want you to write that test, experience the actual exam before the real exam. Is that okay? So that's why I'm pushing you to write that test on 22nd. The registration link is in the description box. Adralli ಮಾಡಿ register ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Make sure that you give this. Offline, online ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, those who are living outside cannot give offline. It's okay, online ಕೊಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. And at the same time, ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so make sure you do that. Fine. So with that, we'll move into today's targets. Aita. So today, science and technology, we'll be covering health and nuclear energy. So adrallu again, nuclear energy andre concepts, nuclear fission, fusion andre eno, India's nuclear program, what are the different types of reactors, fast breeder reactor andre eno, adradu mechanism eno, etc. All those things you can read. Similarly, health and diseases, virus, bacteria, important ones which are in news, and hormones agli, enzymes agli, vaccination ಬಗ್ಗೆ details. So all those things you can cover in health and disease. And with respect to history, today we will be doing Karnataka history. So everything about Karnataka history you might have to cover. So antiquity, Kadamba, Ganga, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Hoysala, Vijayanagar, freedom movement, Hyder Ali, rule of commissioner, unification movement. So iriti several topics. It's a vast topic, I understand. Adike nimge avate helde nanu, history is a vast subject. Somehow we have to compress it and study it in 1 or 2 days, and it becomes challenging. But anyways, those who are good in history, those who have already studied history, Karnataka history, plus mainly all history part, Karnataka history will help you a lot in mains. So adukoskaranu odbekagutte. If somebody has already read Karnataka history, used good, etc., make sure you revise complete Karnataka history in about 5 hours. Just focus on the facts and important developments that has happened. So either this or science and technology. Is that okay? Science and technology, health and nuclear, idralli Karnataka history. So some students were asking that Karnataka history salpa kashta agta ide, some help they want. Avrige Karnataka history matte Karnataka geography complete course is there just for 2000. Adalli material kodtivi. So if somebody is interested, the link is in the description box, or you can go to our website. You will find complete Karnataka history and Karnataka geography class. You can watch that. Anyways, so with respect to current affairs, February 2024 is today's target. So 3 hours you will be reading this. 50% of the magazine you will cover. Aita, this is February 2024, 2 to 3 hours. Aita, now most of them are saying that we don't need so much hour for current affairs. We are fast in that. So okay, so you can reduce it and give that time for Karnataka history or science or something like that. Aita, and CSAT Ali, we will start with maths. So far we have been doing revision of reasoning. So today we will do maths. Adralli we will do the chapter averages. Okay, now so this is what we have to do in CSAT. Averages, very important topic. Averages you'll have to cover. So some formulas, so shortcuts relating to average, different kinds of problems that are asked in average. Adna note for it. Okay, so also as I told you, 45 minutes to have half an hour to 45 minutes. Give importance to your health. Aita, on walking hogi, la meditation madi, yoga madi, something like that you do, so that your mind is active and your efficiency will improve. And at 8 o'clock, no matter what, whether you have read or not, please give the test at 8 o'clock. Is that okay, guys? No excuse at all. And in the comment section, please let me know how everything is going. If you have any suggestions, if you need me to do video on anything, please do comment. I will make sure I do video on that. Also, make sure you remain confident, remain positive, remain happy. And I shall see you again tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Have an awesome day. Have the most productive day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.